Hi, my name is Adil Mir. I am from Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. I am a low vision person, and I have issue when the presentations are presented on digital devices or projectors. So at that moment, I struggle to see what is there on the screen or what video or what kind of picture is there. So for that purpose, I have a solution with me. That is a magnifying glass which I am using at the time of watching anything on the projector or digital devices, which are big monitors like 55 inches kind of. So this is the device which I am using to see the videos. As I am unable to see what is there on the screen, so let me wear this. We call it magnifier glasses. Okay, so let me use it and let's see how it helps me out. So I am wearing this. So now I am able to see the keyboard is there of multicolor. Right now there is green, the down one was green colors, and now the big keyboard is there on the screen. The space bar is green color, and now the function keys was F1, F2 were orange color. So I am able to see with this, but without this I was unable to see anything on the screen.
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.